In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add site shortcuts on Brave browser. If you frequently visit the same websites every day, adding site shortcuts in Brave browser can make your browsing experience much faster and more convenient. Instead of typing website addresses repeatedly, you can open your favorite pages instantly with just a single click from the New Tab page. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of creating and organizing custom site shortcuts in Brave browser so you can personalize your browsing experience and access important websites more efficiently. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser launches, you'll automatically see the Start page, also known as the New Tab page. This is the screen that appears whenever you open a new tab or launch the browser for the first time. You'll usually notice a background image along with shortcut tiles that provide quick access to websites. These shortcut tiles are designed to help you open commonly visited sites without needing to manually type the web address every time. If you're not already on the New Tab page, simply click the plus icon at the top of the browser window to open a new tab. Once you're on the correct page, look toward the center or lower section of the screen where the existing website tiles appear. Depending on your current settings, you may already see a few suggested or frequently visited sites, or the area may appear mostly empty. To manually create a new shortcut, locate the tile that says Add Shortcut, or look for an empty tile containing a plus icon. Click on it to continue. A small pop-up window will appear asking for two pieces of information, the shortcut name and the website URL. In the Name field, type the title you want displayed on the shortcut tile. This can simply be the name of the website or any label that helps you quickly recognize it. In the URL field, carefully type or paste the complete website address of the site you want to add. Make sure the address includes the full website format, including the beginning portions such as HTTPS, to ensure the shortcut works correctly. After confirming the information looks correct, click the Save or Confirm button in the pop-up window. Your new shortcut tiles should immediately appear alongside the existing shortcuts on the New Tab page. From now on, whenever you open a new tab in Brave browser, you can simply click that tile to instantly visit the website. If you'd like to organize your shortcuts, many versions of Brave also allow you to click and drag the tiles into a different position. This makes it easier to keep your most frequently visited websites at the front for quicker access. If you ever notice that shortcuts are missing, you can open Brave's New Tab settings and ensure the option for displaying site shortcuts or top sites is enabled. And that's it. You've successfully added site shortcuts on Brave browser for a cleaner and more efficient browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.